everybody, this is Swift Fox and Friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple of years since I last recorded a video fully, and I recently found that my Game Pass that I am on has added this game, and I wanted to preview it, give my thoughts on it. I might be on Twitch when I stream it, because it's not a, because I don't have YouTube connected to my Xbox at all. I have Discord connected to it, but let's get into the video, see what it's got to offer. It's mature, so I might have to get my audience shortened on the Twitch. Let's just see what it's about.
I need to keep moving.
Right off the bat, it gives you Texas Chainsaw Massacre vibes, with the victims being strung up somewhere in the house, and then forgot what his name was, dude with the chainsaw coming to get you. It's been a couple of years since I last watched Texas Chainsaw. No, it was last year I watched I think one of them. But with my mind, I can easily forget stuff. So we got the victims versus the family, so that's some interesting stuff. Let's continue.
This'll catch him. Think what's coming to you now? Oh, that's it.
Okay, so what vibes I'm getting from this all of a sudden is Dead by Daylight, kind of, hunter versus victims. Kind of is like the survivors versus the killers in Dead by Daylight. So, I see we have a health bar, we have a stamina bar. We might have traits in the bottom.
I found this on the web for have a health bar. We have a stamina bar.
Shut up. Silly Siri. It looks like it tells you when you've beaten the encounters you've gone through. Looks like, I don't know how many bars you can hold. I don't know what you're able to hold, because I haven't touched the game yet. This is one of the few games I've actually seen before I played. So let's continue.
I have to keep going.
Just a playing for the boys and
Look who we got here.
Okay, so we got maps, and then again, just like Dead by Daylight, you got hiding spots. But, I don't know if you can get trapped in Dead by Daylight. I haven't played it enough. I've only played it like a couple times by myself. Surrounded by AIs. That's it. But I haven't streamed it, so who knows? Could be a lot more to it.
Got yourself in some trouble, didn't you? If you just listen.
I can do this.
Alright, so This might be one of those games where you can't be recovered, just like Dead by Daylight, where you're dead. You're stuck spectating everybody else. There's no coming back for you. Which sometimes I wish you could be recovered, like especially if you were killed right away in the beginning of a game, because I don't like games where you can just die instantaneously and not, have a second chance to actually do something in the game. But the only thing that's keeping me from really being mad about it is the fact that you gain points either way. You can be dead and your teammates can escape and you'll get points off of that. So, yeah, this looks like a game I would recommend people to play. But since it's just Xbox only, I might try my hand at it and then tell people if it's okay or not. Throw my opinion out there. But for now, it's a brand new game. I can't say anything about it because I haven't played it. So, if you want me to play this, I might be playing it on Twitch for 13 followers. I'm already at 9, so I might bump it up a little bit. But we'll see. Without further ado, I'ma go. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you on the flip side. Swift Fox and Friends.